One of the biggest mistakes beginners make in Canva is mixing too many styles in a single design. You might use one font that looks modern, another that looks playful, and colors that don't really match together. What I'm about to show you step by step is a simple technique called style matching, which helps keep your designs consistent and professional looking. If you're new to Canva, this is one of the fastest ways to improve the overall quality of your designs. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel. Choose any canvas size that matches the type of design you want to make. Once your blank canvas is open, head over to Elements on the left-hand panel and add any element you want to use. Click on it, and it will instantly appear on your canvas. Select the element and hover your cursor over the floating toolbar, then open the editing panel. Once the panel opens, scroll down a bit until you find the section for style matching. This feature allows you to turn multiple elements into a single consistent style, which helps keep your design visually cohesive. To show you how it works, start by transforming your first element into a style you like. You can change its colors, shape, style, or other visual properties depending on the element you selected. Once you're satisfied with the style, add another element from the Elements panel that has a completely different look. Now select that second element, open the editing panel again, and go back to the style matching section. From there, you can apply the same style from the first element, so both elements now share a consistent design style. This makes it much easier to keep your graphics balanced and professional without manually adjusting every single element. Once you're happy with your design, you can continue adding more elements and applying the same style matching technique to keep everything consistent. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. By using style matching in Canva, you can quickly transform different elements into a unified style, making your designs look cleaner, more organized, and much more professional. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.